Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a super amazing day today. So today I'm so excited to bring you another video, and today I'm very excited because I'm on sort of a little bit of a health journey type thing. I'm trying to lose the rest of this baby weight that I can't seem to shift after my third child nearly 3 years ago. I had an emergency C-section. It wasn't what I expected. I went back to work 3 months after that, and my life has just been crazy busy ever since. So it's been really hard to concentrate on myself, my health, my fitness, all that kind of stuff. So today I'm really excited to bring you a product that I've been using lately that's been really helping me out. And what these are Boost Zero X leggings. They are so cool, so comfortable as well.
And they use something called EMS technology.
And EMS stands for electronic muscle stimulation, which is exactly what this product does. It speaks for itself. So I've been using these 2 to 3 times a week. I've managed to fit them into my busy schedule. It is recommended to use 3 to 5 times a week. I am slowly working up to that, but so far I am seeing really great results already. All you have to do is pop them on. They are so comfortable, so easy to wear. They feel nice and snug and like everything's tucked in nice and firm, which helps so much when working out, so you don't feel like you're all over the place. Because if you're anything like me, you've got wobbly bits, you're not in the best shape, and you want everything to feel nice and firm so you can get those firm results. So what breaks these apart from just your standard normal boring sort of just workout leggings, that these are inserted with adaptive graphene conductive film, which I'll show you on the screen in more detail here so you can see properly. But what this does is that when you attach the main controller to the top of the leggings here, turn it on and it starts to stimulate the muscle. And all you have to do with these leggings is on each of the 4 pads. It has 4 pads. It has 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So 1 on each butt cheek and then 1 on the back side of each of your thigh. So this is the area that it's really going to help sculpt into a nice firm shape and really lift and firm your thighs and buttocks, which is exactly what I need. They are my problem areas. They are the places that jiggle the most, have the less tone in my whole body. So that is great. It's a perfect area for me. And before you get started, all you want to do is wipe down each pad with a light damp cloth. You can do this with water or moisturizing lotion first. If you do attach it to dry skin, you will get like a slightly tingling sensation, which isn't the nicest. So to help it feel the most comfortable, you just want to have that sort of wet suction sort of togetherness on your skin first. And it is completely safe. It has been tested and proven and used by athletes as well. So it has been around for a long time, and EMS is a really clever technology, and I'm so excited to have discovered this. It's really great. But what it does, it actually replicates your natural muscle contractions, and it does this by sending impulses from the pads to those muscles in those areas, causing them to tighten and contract. And over time, this builds up the muscles' strength and endurance, making you stronger and fitter, which is so cool. And you can really feel it working when you've got them on. It really stimulates the muscle deep down into the tissue, really getting it moving and active and just waking it up and getting it going. So this does have 1 to 12 intensity levels. So you can start off number 1 and work yourself up all the way to number 12. So it's great if you're just a beginner like I am, or you're a little bit more experienced, or if you're more of an athlete, then you can use this as well, all the way up to the intensity levels. It really works well when you're wearing these when you're working out, when you're doing squat and different types of exercise activity. It really is that double whammy boost for your muscles. So it only takes 20 minutes per day, 2 to 5 times a week, and actually says that every 20-minute session is an equivalent to 6 hours at the gym, which is massive. That's huge. I'm not a gym junkie by any means. I hate going, don't have time. I think it's overpriced and expensive. And I love that you can use this in the comfort and privacy of your own home. And it's really convenient with a lot of people in lockdown at the moment. So you can't go to the gym anyway. So you might as well wear these, do your workouts at home, and you're getting the best results in the quickest amount of time. So with these as well, you're probably wondering, well, how do I wash them? I'm going to sweat my ass off wearing these working out. And what about the pads? Like, what's going to happen? Well, these are designed so it's so easy. You can put them on a delicate wash straight in your washing machine. These are really well made. They're such great quality. They are not going to fall apart. You can also hand wash them if that is something that you're more comfortable doing, but you can absolutely throw these in the washing machine on a gentle wash. They will be totally fine. They will last a lifetime. The pads won't come off either. I have tested this out. They are still on there, super nice and strong, and they haven't faded at all as well. The black is still very intense and dark, which is great, and they dry really fast as well, which is good if you want to just wash them and like if you need them again, you know, straight away. So that's really good as well. So just to get an idea of sizing, they do have a size chart on their website. These are a size large. They are quite stretchy. I'm usually a size 10 to 12 these days, Australian. So I have like a slightly larger lower half than my topper half. So these are a size large. So just to get an idea, that's sort of the length if this is something that you want to have a look at. And the controller does have a 120-minute battery life, which is so good. It's more than enough time for you to get in a really good workout. And then charging only takes 30 minutes as well. So it's super quick and easy. Doesn't take a lot of power. And these are so affordable and so well priced at only $99 at the moment. So you make sure you check them out. I'll have the link here on the screen and down below. So if you're looking to get your butt into gear for this second half of 2021, get yourself motivated, give yourself something to do during lockdown if you happen to be in lockdown at the moment, or you just want to get yourself, you know, concentrate a little bit on yourself and get that motivation and that self-confidence back by being in better health and being in the best shape you can be, which also gives you more energy and helps you be that better version of yourself that, you know, we all want to be the best versions of ourselves that we can be. And for me, being a busy mom, I want to be the best mom I can be. And that definitely means being strong, being fit, being healthy, and having that energy to keep up with them, because they are all, you know, quite young and very energetic, and I really do need that, and I need to do this more, and I am seeing results already. My thighs have really toned and my butt has lifted slightly, which is amazing. I can't believe it. It's really worked well and I highly recommend it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.